Briston is back with a fresh take on its most iconic line. Meet the all-new Clubmaster Legend Classic Collection. Retro charm, practical specs, and a dash of French preppy style, let's take a closer look. Founded in 2013 by industry veteran Bryce Journet, Briston fuses French creativity with British sporting heritage. Instead of a traditional French name, Briston evokes Oxford University sports and the Ivy League preppy look of the 1950s. That heritage runs right through the Clubmaster Legend line. The new Clubmaster Legend Classic models stay true to the 1940s-inspired cushion case, measuring 39 by 39 millimeters and just 11.8 thick. You can choose mirror-polished stainless steel or Briston's signature Italian tortoiseshell acetate, a premium cellulose material normally used in eyewear. Both feature 100-meter water resistance, a knurled screw-down crown, solid style lugs, and a domed 2.1mm sapphire crystal. Inside the collection, you'll find two flavors. The classic HMS, a clean, three-hand, time-only piece. The classic Open, with an aperture at 9 o'clock, showing the balance wheel in motion. Dials come in black, white opaline, or navy blue, with a textured center. Vintage railway minute track, applied markers, and super luminova hands for legibility. Powering these watches are tried-and-true Japanese automatic movements from Seiko's time module incorporated. The NH35A for the HMS, NH38A for the Open, offering a 41-hour power reserve and the Briston coat of arms on the rotor. Straps, black, brown or blue calfskin, with an embossed alligator pattern and a quick change system so you can swap styles in seconds. Pricing remains accessible. €570 for the steel models and €550 for the acetate versions. Classic Briston looks, upgraded specs, still everyday friendly. If you enjoyed this first look at the Briston Clubmaster Legend Classic Collection, hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss our next hands-on review.